Hi everyone, my name is Jason and I'm gonna do an unboxing of a new product. It's called the LaCie 1TB hard drive. This one was $169.99 at Future Shop, and Future Shop is only in Canada. It's not in, so I'm doing an unboxing right now. So it was a really good deal. It was a good deal. So I'm just trying to... Okay, just gonna open this up. Oh. Oh! Oh, gotta be careful. This is it, right here. This is the manual, enjoyment-free, technical support with online registration. This is what it is. So we're just gonna open this now. This is it right here. Very nice looking. It's all black. You can see it's very small, very portable. This is it, and this is my hand. So you can see them kind of what size is which. It's right beside each other. So also it's got good vents on the back. You can see all the vents, and it's got these things which are good for grip. And on the back, these are the ports. That's the on button, that's power, and that's the USB, and this is gonna work with my MacBook. So thank you everyone for watching. Oh no, there's more in here. Sorry, just gonna look in here to show you some of the wires. So if we look in here, you can see some of the wires. So these are the wires that it comes with. So thank you for watching my unboxing of the LaCie 1TB external hard